Hi guys. I hope this video finds you well. Today I'm kicking off a series of tutorials called All About Digital Notebooks and Templates. And I'm doing this because the last time I made like a big series was I think 2020. And with Goodnotes and other apps like advancing every year, I just thought that this would be really helpful. A lot of the tutorials may seem basic, but every day there's somebody new. I do get a lot of beginner questions sent to me about like how to copy a template. I'm just, basic questions. So I am going to break these down into like little tiny bits. So hopefully there's something, you can find something that'll be helpful for you. What I'm going to be working in all of these tutorials is I'm going to be working in my series 3 digital notebooks and templates, specifically probably mostly the series 3 plus because that is what I'm using. So anyway, it doesn't really matter what you use because the process is basically the same. I also use Goodnotes. So if you're a Goodnotes user, it'll be very easy to follow along. I am using Goodnotes 7. If you're not a Goodnotes user, it's the same. Basically, every app has the same things, right? So just try to follow along as best you can. And then, if I say copy and my copy button isn't in the same spot as your copy button, you can find that. So anyway, I hope this helps you. So today, what we're going to talk about, because I do get this question asked often. And the question is, what is the difference between digital notebooks, like a multi-subject digital notebook, and templates? Okay, so if you're a Goodnotes user, and I think in other apps too, they call, let me show you here, they call their, when you, like, what's included in their apps, they call them notebooks, right? So you would click on new, and then you would, do a new notebook. You would get to choose a cover if you want it, paper if you want it, and create a notebook. And all that is it's literally a cover with some templates, okay? There's no navigation unless you manually add it in with like internal linking, but it's just a very basic stack of templates, okay? We're gonna delete that. Now, like the series 3, this is a multi-subject digital notebook, right? It has tabs, so it would have 12 tabs, and then the tabs take you to like the dividers. So think of like this 12 subject notebook, right? As a bound. Like if you were using a paper notebook, it would be bound, right? So everything, it's a self-contained unit. It's a collection of thoughts. So for me, I use, this is my work notebook. So every section has something to do with work, my design. So I have ideas and notes and templates and notebooks and also videos, marketing, everything. So that way, when I want to write something down, everything is here. I don't have a bunch of different tabs open on my page. I don't have a bunch of, I don't have to keep going elsewhere. Okay, so that would be a benefit of a multi-subject notebook. Now, if the flip side or like the opposite of that would be to create your own notebook using templates. Okay, so now, again, for me, I took the series 3 templates and I've been making, well, I already have one, but I'm transferring over because with the release of the new series 3, I'm kind of, I'm updating all my stuff. So I took templates and I put them into a holiday, this is my holiday planning. It's a notebook, my holiday planning notebook, but it's not, I don't need like, it's a single thought, right? So holiday planning, it doesn't need to be 12 subject. It's not that like, it just doesn't need to be that. So I have, created a cover page, I created my own index, and then, I have different sections in here. I'm still, by the way, I'm still building it. So, which is why it looks a little So it's just a collection of templates that I put together to create a single thought, basically, which is my holiday planning guide, right? So like templates, you can see it's just like a sheet of paper. So think of templates as like maybe a loose leaf binder, right? You can take PDFs, you can take templates from anywhere, and you can put them together into like one stack. Okay. There's no navigation unless like you add them. Like I will be manually adding my own index in here. Whereas a notebook has complete navigation, right? So my notebook, you know, you have the home where it gives you information. It's all of your templates are in the notebook. Okay. So you can obviously add extra things into it, but it doesn't flow. Like there will be a video on how to do that, don't worry. But anyway, so with a 12 subject notebook or a multi-subject notebook, it's like a self-contained unit. So you can see all the different templates that are included in here. And like the templates that are in your notebook, right? They are, think of them as like master copies. They just sit there in the background that you can copy and paste behind your tabs whenever you want. Okay. Whereas the like just using like single use templates, these would be, you would take these templates. Let's find a template here. Let's find something fun. I always go through the same ones. So this is like just a single use. You would take this and put it somewhere else, right? You would take the templates and build something else, okay? Whereas, again, a multi-subject notebook, all the templates are in there. They kind of sit in the background for you for when you need to use them. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So think of a multi-subject notebook, a digital notebook, as it's a self-contained unit. Everything you need is in here. You have complete navigation. And speaking of navigation, so like for me in my notebooks, I include a table of contents, right? So this is, I've filled this out because this is my work notebook. And the table of contents kind of gives you an overview of what's in your notebook. So that way you can easily access where you want to go. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to that. So you can see it's just really nice. I also write this information on the divider tab, so that way kind of I have two ways to access all of the pages behind the tab. Okay, so again, a digital notebook is a self-contained unit. You can add things, but we're not going to get into that right now. We'll get into that in a different video, but it's all one. Everything you need is in this notebook. Okay. And then templates are just sheets. Think of them as sheets of paper that you can take and put anywhere you want. Okay. So anyway, I hope this helped you. I hope this answers the question on the difference between, you know, a digital notebook and then templates. And again, I will be posting this on my website. I will be posting these on YouTube and other social media platforms. And then I will be adding to this, you know, all about digital notebooks and templates. I'll be adding pretty much daily. So I hope there's something that, you know, will help you out. Anyway, have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.